Big shout out and urgent update for the VIP and guys, all the subscribers on Shib. Okay, Shib. We're going to talk about the breakout of the wedge. We're going to talk about upside expectations, any downside risks. We're also going to talk about most beautifully, guys. I brought this to the attention of the VIP in the back today. Way to go, VIP. I did say on this breakout move at about the quad odd 4259, about 15% ago or so. I said Shib has a bottoming formation, the best that we've seen on the 4-hour chart in weeks. Right, still not perfect, but it may play. Bringing that to the attention of the traders in the back, guys. This is London with Crypto Kingdom and Bitcoin Spike. Let's go through the technicals real quickly and just talking about really a real wait session as we were just hoping that Shib could break out to the upside in line with this falling wedge. Okay, very clearly indicated descending line of resistance and also a descending line of support, guys. That makes a falling wedge. It's a continuation pattern to the upside. That's what we would expect. Now, since I brought that to the attention of the VIP in the back, that was quad out 4259. That's 4 zeros, then 4259. Let's just measure up the entirety of the move. Okay, compromising the breakout here about 37%. Very nice. Okay, that's some nice profit for you guys that are holding and trading. Pardon me. And let's see, 4259. Let's get about to there. That's about close right there. So about a 17, almost a 20% if we include the candles. Since I brought that in the back to you guys, if you're trading, congratulations. I know a lot of people are heavy in Shib. I want to talk about the pricing really quickly in terms of the pricing targets. Let's go to the daily chart. Now I have this scheduled up on the daily. I've had this scheduled up on the daily in terms of the Fibonacci's. Why? Because it's taken such a long time to get down. I just thought daily targets were definitely indicated. Okay, so I like where it's landed us on those daily targets, particularly onto that classic 86, really our own 86. I've researched this level, guys. If it's not on your Fibonacci sequence, definitely go ahead and add that to your trading regimen. I would say go into the Fib retracement tool, click on a new tab here, and just type in 0.86. I think that you will be surprised how often you see that 86% play out. So that's real crucial. The important thing right now for Shib that I want you guys to understand is that you have officially gone green on the chop. You guys know I use this chop indicator quite a bit. It's important that you've gone green on the chop. The chop is an indicator. It represents essentially, guys, that you're up above the EMAs. It's also going to include some other factors, but that's just a real crucial thing that we look to. You've hit the 86, you're up and above. What I'm going to say now in terms of the expectations to the upside, that traders right now are going to, and let me go ahead and add back on the wedge if I can. There we go. In terms of the current targeting, the traders are going to be, and you're really blasting off, as this continues to make progress to the upside, there will be traders that will continue to come in below. They'll continue to come in below and set targets and set pricing at the Fibonacci's from the point of breakout of the wedge. Okay, this is going to be the technique from the point of breakout of the wedge to the top line formation. So they'll probably follow this. Let's see, go to the candle wick. They'll probably follow this, and they will look for discount in value as it continues to rise. They'll probably double and triple down or reserve heavier cash for lower positions, maybe focusing on that golden pocket if they can get there. Now, the more dramatic that the rise becomes, it's currently up 11.71% today. The more dramatic that the rise becomes, the less likely it is that you would get down into the deeper levels like the 786 or the 86. What's nice about the breakout at the point of the wedge that it did occur at is the fact that the prior resistance, let's go to the prior resistance of this ascending triangle, I think on the 4-hourly, we'll see that definitely on the daily. Let's go to the daily. But you guys can see that we had a really nice ascending triangle here. Let me center this for me. There we go. For all of us, there we go. We had a really nice ascending triangle, I'd say demonstrated in this zone, okay? This prior resistance that we couldn't get out up and above could have, I'd say I could have served as kind of a bottom formation. We could have waited to get down to that. I would anticipate there are still orders down at this prior resistance waiting. Okay, there's probably a good deal of orders waiting. It's nice that we picked up before we had to get down to that level. Okay, that would have represented an additional, let's just say from the point we're at now, that would represent another 40% down were we to test that level. The prior resistance turned into support if we were to test that function of technical analysis. I don't see that happening currently. I don't see that going on. So in terms of the risk to the downside, I think you guys are looking pretty good right now if you guys are trading Shib. So, and I'd love to hear some comments in the section or in the comment section. Pardon me, guys. If you guys would like to, I don't know, just shout out some comments. How long have you been trading Shib? What's your background in TA? And yeah, just in line with these technicals, in line with the the strategies. Have you guys profited at all from this channel? I'd like to know that. I'm kind of doing an assessment right now, and I'd like to know if you guys have profited. I know the guys in the back with the VIP. I've talked with several of them. If you guys can see Josh there on the bottom right, $1 million profit, Kingdom Champion. Way to go, Josh. We're so excited and proud of you, and we'll continue to be proud of you, brother. You are the man. He's the Kingdom Champ. We're so excited that you earned that $1 million in profits, and I appreciate you giving me the credit. That is a big shout out, brother. So let's talk about Shib, the information we gave in the back. Absolutely. What is this VIP I'm talking about, right? It's not a sales pitch, guys, but if you are among the good traders in the market, I need to know. We need to have you in our group. Why? Because we're the best traders. I'm just going to tell you, these charts are flying around all day long. It's top level TA. You can see, for instance, literal, like, you know, the page out of the book that governs, like, this was on a long position, looking at the chart formation, exactly measuring up a long position in line with the technicals. This is the type of information that we enjoy delivering kind of to each other, etc., making sure that everybody's plugged in, that we're following the very best in the industry possible that applies to any markets, okay? So we're excited to continually bring that to the attention of the VIP. All of you, I'll say this, guys, all the base campers, we can't wait for you to upgrade. It's so awesome. And all you subscribers, we just appreciate the ability to bring you guys more information. So as we would look at this, and we invite you to our trade team. It's exciting, guys. Over $30 million traded. As we look at the Kingdom, let's go ahead and go to Twitter so you guys can follow us and make sure you get all of our updates. Very crucial, extremely crucial, right? And I'll tell you how to do that. Go to Twitter, type in TheKingdom, The Kingdom. Okay, this is London with Crypto Kingdom. You'll see that at the top. But once you type in The Kingdom right here, you'll scroll to the bottom. It'll say Go to the Kingdom. Don't select these profiles, guys. So it'll say Go to the Kingdom right there on your screen. Click on that, and then you'll arrive at our profile. Turn on notifications and make sure you follow, guys. And if you are VIP and you've joined, go ahead and click on the first pinned tweet. Just click on that and say, I am VIP. That will give you some access. I will go ahead after I receive that, and I'll let you into the back rooms. How do you join, guys? This link right here, and you'll see former financial analyst, former hedge fund, pardon, guys, non-SEC, and former presidential advisor. Sorry for stumbling through that. Also, we trade on Gate, just to let you guys know. We also trade sometimes on XT and also on L-Bank, but Gate has the best technicals, just so that you guys know. This link right here, okay, this link right here will get you to the portal to be able to sign up for VIP if you guys would like to. It's the restricted VIP zone. This is where the action is. And guys, we just want to make sure that you want to join. That's kind of our qualifier in terms of being in the back with the group, etc. We have so much going on a continual basis. A lot of guys walking people through tonight, a breakout on another coin, etc. And just continually trying to, I'd say, just maximize your profits, minimize your losses, and advance you all as traders. So guys, another shout out to Josh, our $1 million champ, and I'm so excited to see what Shib can do as it continues to push higher. Currently 13.59%. Guys, just keep it up. And it's interesting right here. I was just talking about those pricing targets right in this zone. Do you see the strategy playing out exactly that I spoke of? And just while we were talking there, while we were going through, if anyone paid attention through the entirety of this video, you'll see, yep, absolutely. What did it do? We talked about following up the price action, getting that first 23.6% retracement discount. Bam. Do you see the price action right there? That's what I'm talking about, guys. People wanting a discount and slamming back into that top level of the Fibonacci, pardon. That's what's going to be going on. So if you guys are in that crew, if you're capable of trading at that level, there's a reason you're watching us, and I congratulate you guys on your ability to trade like that, and that's who we want in our group, okay? So congratulations to all the Shib traders and holders. Your breakout here is much deserved. Let's see what price action you guys can develop, and this is London with Crypto Kingdom and Bitcoin Spike. We will talk to you soon, guys. Never overexpose, always with heavy reserve cash, ready to double or triple down and cover your any upside positions, guys. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks so much for your time. This is London with Crypto Kingdom and Bitcoin Spike.